Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2018 Toyota RAV4 stock number 6606. This ran from the 12th 2012 to the 12th 2018. There's a 2AD FTV 2.2 litre turbo diesel engine with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the 2AD FTV 2.2 litre turbo diesel engine. Left front 18-inch thick aluminium tyre. Front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door 1 dent. Right hand taillight, right rear 18-inch thick aluminium tyre, right hand door no dents, right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front headlight, right front 18-inch thick aluminium tyre, right front door guard, right front master switch. Center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen satnav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,